Okay guys, so how to promote affiliate links on YouTube. So first of all, you should register on websites like Share a Sale, Recruiter Network, add your website there and blog. Also you can use ClickBank, probably the easiest to approve network, so they approve instantly your application even if you do not have a website. You can get links, affiliate links from there, and you can start promoting ASAP. So here in recruiter marketing, if you click on advertisers, you can see a lot of websites what you can start promoting, even Microsoft. So a lot of websites. Same for share a sale. You can select category, for example e-commerce, and you can see what websites you can start promoting ASAP. And here you can see what you will get. So here you will get 25 bucks per sale. Here you get 10%. The most profitable offers are offers what with recurring options. So recurring option means if customer pays, for example, for hosting, he pays every month, and every month he will get commission. Also, there are programs that will pay you per lead, for example, for simple registration, like here. So you'll get $2 for every registration. So you can focus on such leads, on such offers as well. And so when you have decided what programs to promote, I recommend you to join as many as possible, because 50% of all programs will decline you, other will accept you, and you will have variations what programs to promote. So let me give you an example on how to promote these affiliate links. So first of all, when you are starting on YouTube, you should decide what videos you will create. So for example, I'm focusing on WordPress websites. I'm a developer and I'm creating how-to videos. So for example, this video is about how to transfer your website domain name from GoDaddy hosting to HostGator. And here in the description, I offer 10 bucks off from hosting, and as well affiliate link included. So people who will click on this link and will make it will use their service. So in results, I will get commission from Cloudways affiliate program. As I remember, I am receiving around 50 bucks per sign up. So this is how it works like. So simply put links in video description. So under each video, create how-to videos, or another way is to create review videos. So join the program, for example, join the shortcut program. Every program got trial version. Join their trial version. Create video about how to use this program, and include affiliate link. Include affiliate link. Include affiliate link and make sales like this. So important to realize that you should also add keywords and name your video correctly in order to get traffic to it. So a good way to do so, use services like keyword tool.io. So for example, I'm creating video on how to promote affiliate links on YouTube, and after that I can also create videos on how to promote affiliate links on Google without website, and it comes with this. All are variations on what content I should create in order to start receiving traffic. Also guys, I will include link to my Google editor course. So it's a good way how to, so you will be able to learn how to get cheap clicks from Google ads and not spending time on creating YouTube videos or any content. Okay guys, I hope this short video was helpful, and please like and comment on the recipe.